Welcome to Pocket Woman Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today is Survival Day. Some people call it Invasion Day, some people call it Australia Day. We're calling it Survival Day. Still surviving, still thriving. I'd like to acknowledge that I'm in the Nurrinjeri Nation. I'm on Kaurna land. I'd like to acknowledge my ancestors from the Kulin Nation, Jajarurong in Victoria. Today I've got for you a lock that operates the mechanism for a roller door. So this is a roller door motor lock. It's from a company called Simu, and the lock itself is called a Geba. That's our bitting. You've got the up, you've got the down, key retaining both sides, releases at the 0. So I'm going to try and pick this for you today in one direction. That's the back end of it, and then when I get it picked, I'm going to pull it apart and we're going to see what's inside. Okay, let's go with turning up that way. Turn it back up that way. Which way? Okay. It's interesting. Alright, let's hold it like that. Going in with my dad's Evers. Light tension. Looking for a binder. It's a little click. Another little click. I have had a go at picking this before, believe it or not. Some days it'll pick one way and not the other way, and other days I can get it both. Some days I can't pick it at all. So let's hope that's not one of these days. Might go for something a bit longer. It's a pretty long key. Alright, there we go. Picked it. Okay, let's pull it apart, see what happens. So I've already had a look. There's no screw holes down the back, so it must come in from the front. I reckon this is a flip thingy. Yep. Okay. Got ourselves a Phillips head. Knocking the camera, sorry about that, for the bouncy. Oh yeah, it's pretty interesting. Let's get a torch in there. Alright, we might keep pulling this apart. Let's start with the lock. Let's do the zoomy out thing first. Yep, still getting the hang of it. So it looks like this cylinder is only held in by the one screw. Just slides out. Looks like the cam interacts with that there. And then that turns that will turn this. It's got stops, it's got the words open and close. Looks like it has a electrical terminal there. Wonder if this just comes out. Yep. Oh yeah, it's a faceplate. Oh yeah, there's our electrical terminal. So looks like we're in a black hole down there. So that's what that looks like. So you got your 3 contact points. So this looks like it's just a housing. Yep, that's that. Okay, that's that. That drops out like that. So that says top, open. That's it. Here we go. Let's see what this says. There we go. 240 volt, 5 amps. Geba. So that's that. Very interesting. Okay. Wonder how you pull these apart. Right, I think in another video we might work out how to pull this apart, and I'll show you the pins. It's a fixed cam, not a lazy cam. So thanks for watching. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.